everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a really quick video today. Coverado sent me one of their heated seat covers. I'm going to be putting it on my Maverick today, the driver's side. All right folks, this isn't a full cover. This is basically just a pad that will go on there, and it's got 3 straps to hold it. It's got this material on the back that should help it from moving around. It's fairly thick, so it should add some cushioning. It's your standard 12-volt plug for your 12-volt outlet in your vehicle. The power switch is on the right hand side of your seat. That should be very interesting since you'll be sitting on it. We'll see if that's an issue later on. But basic install, it just a strap here and 2 straps there. Let's put it in and test it out. All right folks, I'll try to get this on camera the best I can. It's fairly straightforward. There's just a snap here for the middle. This one here has a snap as well. It might just fit over your headrest though. Pretty self-explanatory really. I'll get this installed and we'll check it. Of course folks, the bottom doesn't have the buckles like that. It has metal hooks. You'll just have to find a place underneath here that won't be in the way of any of your electronics, etc. And just it'll secure the seat into place. And of course, once you got everything tightened down and secured, you just find your outlet where you want to plug in your 12-volt. It would have been nice if they had a USB one, but plug that in. And of course the vehicle will have to be on to power this up. Let's do that now and test it out. All right folks, first off, you're going to notice that I am already sitting on the button. I'm going to start it up and see how it works. Press the button, it's on red. We'll see how fast it heats up. All right folks, I've had a chance to test out the Coverado seat cover for a couple days now. It takes roughly 5 minutes for it to warm up. It is warming up my lower back. It's warming up my butt. Basically, I don't feel anything on the front part of the seat where my legs will be touching it. It takes, like I said, 5 minutes. It's not the hottest thing in the world. I drove 40 minutes just now. It was warm. It was enough to notice it was keeping you warm, but you're definitely not super hot. You're not sweating. It's not quite as hot as like my wife's Kia. Her Kia warms up and you have to turn it off pretty quick. But I give it maybe 3.5, 4 out of 5 stars. Not a bad product if you need something like this and you don't have it factory installed already. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.